Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get iPhone emojis on Android phone. If you're using any Android phone and now you want to get iPhone emojis in your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Google and Google just search for Resider iPhone emoji. Just search for it. Just search for this one and here just open the first website. From here just scroll down to the end and you'll get something like this, which is bonus method for getting iOS emojis on Android easiest. After doing this, you just have to scroll down and you'll get download iOS emoji app. Just tap on it and here just wait for its loading. Now select download anyway and then open the downloaded file. Here you can see the file has been downloading. Just wait for it. And here you can see the file has been downloaded. Now I'm going to open it. Just tap on it and it will be open. From here just enable a setting which is allow Chrome or Google to install unknown apps and then select install. From here here's the Emoji Keyboard done. Just tap on install and it will be installed in your phone. Now wait for installation and then we'll do a setup. Just open app. From here you can see that basically this app was built for an older version on Android. It might not work properly and doesn't include the latest security and privacy protection, but that's okay because check for an update or contact the app developer. In future, the app will have any update and these issues will be solved, so we can easily use that. Just tap on OK from here and here just select enable emoji keyboard and here just enable it, then select OK and here just select switch to emoji keyboard. From here you just have to look for emoji keyboard. Is that, just tap on it and then tap on allow, then allow again, and here you can easily get different themes of the emoji keyboard. You can select one of them which you want. So in this way you can easily use the iPhone emoji keyboard on your Android. So that's how you can easily get iPhone emojis on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.